Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Coriander leaves, nutritional value, health benefits and recipe. Coriander is commonly known as dhania in the Indian subcontinent and cilantro in America and some parts of Europe. Also, its scientific name is Coriandrum sativum L. It is an herb that is extensively used around the world as a condiment, garnish and for decoration on culinary dishes. Nutrition facts. Also, it is packed with fiber, magnesium, manganese, protein and iron, making it beneficial for health. The serving size is 100 grams. Nutrition value: water 92.21, energy 23, protein 2.13, total lipid 0.52, carbohydrate 3.67, fiber 2.8, sugar 0.87, calcium 67, iron 1.77, magnesium 26, phosphorus 48, potassium 521, sodium 46, zinc 0.5, vitamin C 27, thiamine 0.07, riboflavin 0.16, niacin 1.11, vitamin B 0.15, folate 62, vitamin B12 0, also vitamin A 337, vitamin D 0, vitamin K 310, fatty acids 0.01 and cholesterol 0. Health benefits of coriander. Number 1. Reduces skin inflammation. Also, cilantro can be effective in inducing urination to release excess water from the body. Thus, this reduction in skin inflammation leads to a reduction in discomfort and an improvement in the appearance of the skin. Number 2. Relieves skin disorders. The disinfectant, detoxifying, antiseptic, antifungal and antioxidant properties of coriander are ideal for clearing up skin disorders such as eczema, dryness and fungal infections. Number 3. Lowers cholesterol levels. The acids present in it like linoleic acid, oleic acid, palmitic acid, etc. are very effective in reducing cholesterol levels in the blood. They also reduce the level of bad LDL cholesterol deposition along the inner walls of the arteries and veins, which can lead to serious diseases such as heart attack and strokes. Number 4. Treats diarrhea. It is used for preventing nausea, vomiting and stomach disorders. Number 5. Treats mouth ulcers. Coriander is helpful in the healing process of ulcers and also prevents bad breath. In fact, before the invention of toothpaste, people would chew on its seeds to reduce bad breath. Number 6. Improves bone health. Calcium and other essential minerals found in coriander help for bone regrowth and durability as well as protect against osteoporosis. Number 7. Treats smallpox. Also, the essential oils present in coriander are rich in antimicrobial, antioxidant, detoxifying and acids. Thus, the presence of vitamin C and iron strengthens the immune system as well. These properties help prevent and cure smallpox, may also reduce the pain and have soothing effects. Number 8. Eye care. Coriander is also beneficial for preventing vision disorders, macular degeneration, reducing strain and stress on the eyes. Number 9. treats conjunctivitis. So, coriander is a very good disinfectant and has antimicrobial properties that may be protective against contagious diseases like conjunctivitis. Moreover, coriander oil is used extensively in preparing a number of eye care products. Side effects of coriander. However, excessive coriander intake makes some people sensitive to sunlight and more susceptible to sunburn. In addition, sunburns may increase the risk of skin cancer over the long term. Furthermore, the coriander might lower blood sugar. There is some concern that it might interfere with blood sugar control during surgery. Stop using coriander at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. Fun facts of coriander. Number 1. Coriander, also known as cilantro or Chinese parsley, is an annual herb in the family Apiaceae. Besides, it is one of the oldest herbs and species in the world. Even though all parts of coriander are edible, people usually consume leaves and seeds of coriander. Above all, coriander contains phytochemicals that can delay spoilage of food. Even so, ancient Greeks used coriander as a source of food and as an ingredient of perfumes. How to store and buy coriander? Store. Number 1. Strip off the bottom of the stems. Number 2. Moreover, make sure the leaves are completely dry. Number 3. Additionally, fill the glass partially with water and place the stem ends of the herbs into water in the jar. Number 4. Also, if you are storing it in the refrigerator, cover loosely with a plastic bag. Number 5. Whereas coriander stays fresh for a longer time if stored under cool temperatures. Number 6. Finally, change the water if required. Buy. Search for the leaves which are green in color. Nevertheless, don't use it if the leaves are yellow in color. Lemon coriander soup. Boost your natural immunity by including more vitamin C rich foods. Lemon coriander soup helps you to stay fit and healthy. Nutrition facts. Nutrition values: energy 67 calories, protein 1.4 gram, carbohydrates 91 gram, fiber 2.5 gram, fat 2.8 gram and cholesterol 0 milligrams. Ingredients: 1 tablespoon lemon juice, 1/4 cup finely chopped coriander, 2 teaspoon oil, 2 teaspoon finely chopped garlic, 2 teaspoon finely chopped green chilies, 1/4 cup finely chopped onions, cabbage and carrot, 3 cups basic vegetable stock, salt to taste and 2 teaspoon corn flour dissolved in 2 tablespoons of water. Method: firstly, heat the oil in a pan, add the garlic, green chilies and saute for a few seconds. Add the onions and saute on a medium flame for about 1 to 2 minutes. Add the carrots, cabbage and saute for about 2 minutes. Add the basic vegetable stock, lemon juice, salt, corn flour, water mixture. Mix well and cook on a medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. Add the coriander and mix well. Finally, serve hot. South Indian dish mint coriander spice pulao. This recipe is flavored with whole spices like bay leaf, cinnamon stick, etc. These whole spices are tempered in ghee that gives a flavor to the pulao. Nutrients value: energy 302 calories, protein 4.9 gram, carbohydrates 52.7 gram, fiber 3.1 gram, fat 7.9 gram, cholesterol 0 milligrams. Ingredients: 1.5 cups rice washed and soaked, 1/3 cup coriander leaves finely chopped, 1 tablespoon ghee, 1/3 cup mint leaves finely chopped, half teaspoon fennel seeds, 2 bay leaves, 1-inch cinnamon stick. Method: heat ghee in a pressure cooker on medium flame. To the hot ghee add fennel seeds, bay leaves, cinnamon stick. Once these spices begin to splutter, add the coriander and mint leaves. Now add the washed and drained rice, 3 cups of water, salt and close the pressure cooker. Pressure cook the mint coriander spice pulao for 2 to 3 whistles and turn off the flame. Finally, allow the pressure to release. Once it is done, mix the pulao and transfer to a serving bowl.
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.